Hey guys, Ray from CTSA. We've had a few requests to do an unboxing and assembly video, so we're going to do it now. We've got a sale on some systems and they need to be prepared. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what happens after we've opened them up, and what to look for, and what components or spares you need to assemble them and test them. So we've got the Pro V2 Hopper system behind me here, and we've opened one of the boxes and spread all the spare parts out onto the floor after we've opened the box. So let's get started. Alright, so as I said, we've got some systems that need to go out today. Normally we assemble them and test them here in our facility, but these ones will be going off shipped as Electron send them down to us. So once you've opened up the box, you have the stand, which you can see here. You have the powder feed hose and pneumatics, the hopper, breather hose, earthing straps. That is the main car head. We'll go through that now. One thing I need to make note of, the power cable. This is a European plug. For our American customers, please cut this off and put the standard plug on. Back in Africa we use the 3-pin plug, so that will be put onto this. Very simple conversion, easy to do. Earth strap, spare parts that Electrons are sending now. That is the e-feed pump, that's the quick release couplings. Then you have the manual gun, and then we have the powder feed pump. This is the generation 1 a feed pump. December 2022 we'll launch the new pump. A little bit easier to use, but these pumps are very efficient, so I'm happy with them still. And we'll go through this in another video where I show you what to service on these pumps and how to look for wearing items that must be changed and when they must be changed. Alright, so our basic assembly is done. Hoppers in place, got the powder feed pump, controllers in. We've checked all the nuts and bolts that we needed to on the cart itself. Everything's good. Electron really packaged these systems nicely. We don't really have any damage. We've never had any damage. Now what we'll do is we'll get stuck into putting the powder feed hose on, and the pneumatics. And pneumatics normally come a little bit long, so we trim them and we get them all nice and neatly done onto the side of the cart. And then I'll explain all of the connections here, what to look for, what to do, and then we'll fire it up and go through the basic settings on the Pro V2. May not have mentioned before, this is the entry level system. They are available in the hopper configuration, or as you can see there, the box feeder configuration. We'll run through the master system, which is one up on this, which is digital, and for now we're just going to cover the Pro V2 Hopper. Alright, so we've completed the final assembly. Just a few points I'd like to make out. Firstly, we have strapped the main powder feed hose, the electrode wash, and the gun cable all together with black electrical tape. And the reason for that is if you use a tie strap, you squash the hose and you create a soft spot over time. And a couple of other things, we've got the pump in, breather hose. Ensure that you line up your red, your blue, that you're atomizing, and powder flow. Correlate at the back, blue, red. This is my electrode air wash. We haven't plugged that in because it's still sitting down here. That'll go in there. What's left to do now is connect your compressed air line to this point, flat screwdriver. It's a quick release fitting, all supplied in the kit. Lift up your main air pressure in to 0.6, between 0.5 and 0.6 megapascals, and you'll be good to go. Always ensure that this is clear, no water, no oil. But we will run through basic setup in our next video. We are left with This particular system is going to a client in South Africa. That's the plug that's used. This is our little spares kit, which we'll keep there for the next video. Before you fire up, this is your fluidization for the hopper. Again, we'll run through that in the next video. Just ensure that it's off, so it's a light little pull out, anti-clockwise. Then it's on 0. Same with your powder. Turn it out, and then we're ready to switch on. We'll do all of these settings in the next video. I hope you've enjoyed this and it's made sense. Any queries, let us know. Drop me a mail. I'll have it in the bottom. Till the next video. Cheers.